Hello everybody, welcome to the Dashboard channel. This time we're taking you out to the SAW Kustoms Rawfest Cruising for a Cause car show. This was a car show for pre-1972 cars, older than 1972. So we weren't participating in this show. But anyway, hey, that's the thing. Anyway, we got to enjoy the car show. We took a lot of video, a lot of pictures. Hope you guys enjoy it. This is going to be the Scootervision. We put our camera on a scooter and rode through the car show. Makes it a little easier on us and lets us get through faster. So, I hope you guys enjoy this video. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.
Run away from the hurricane. Yep.
Oh yeah, I remember that. How you doing?
I'm doing all right.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, I try to get around to all the shows.
Yeah, it's fun. Good stuff.
Didn't realize you were taking a picture behind me.
Yeah, he's going for it. Take care.
You too.
anything you won't walk yet?
I don't know. That's the one they've been working on their channel.
Yeah.
Yep.
I guess I'll walk down.
Yeah. You could do that little one right there.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe
That blue one?
That two-tone blue one, yeah.
Alright, you get pictures here and I start doing the walk?
Yep. I'm patient.
I think it did say that.
Not as much as you would with body.
I'm doing it again.
You're fine. I was just.
Following me?
No, I'm just making my way down the line.
You know
Hey,
How are you?
doing all right.
Yeah, there's more walk.
There's a red one here on the end. It's got all the paint graphics on it.
Yeah.
That one. It's a truck, by the way. Yep.
You mean the race car there?
Well, you can do the race car, but that red truck there, next to the gray thing,
Yeah. What? Oh.
yeah, the one.
First?
Yeah.
Okay.
Gotta get out of the way. Cone abuse.
Y'all can use that chair if y'all need to.
No, we're good. I'll go do the ride around real quick. I know. I'm trying to figure out which way to go. I
Yeah.
think I'll go right there.
Okay. Well, I know the wine's in the fridge.
Did you walk that one?
Did I what?
Did you walk that one?
No, you can't get around. Yes, I did, but you can't get around the back of it.
Okay, it's fine. Just.
So I walked that way and then come back around.
Okay. I just want to make sure you got it.
I walked it, but I couldn't get around the back of it.
That's fine.
We've done that one.
Yeah. I think we're done.
No, I should have brought some things. Oh, well.
Alright everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the SAW Kustoms Raw Fest Cruising for a Cause car show. A kind of a on the smaller side show, but hey, that's because they only have a limited space to work with in the Flamingo Lake RV Park. They limit it to pre-1972, and we just went to support the car show. They're members of our club, the Callahan Cruisers. So we just went out and supported their show, and looked around and saw what was there. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to drop us a like, a comment, a subscribe, even share this video around to your car people, even your non-car people. They might enjoy it. You never know. Anyway, we're trying to get to our initial 500 subscribers for the channel to get them YouTube ad dollars to start coming in and start paying for all our efforts. So any help you guys could be on that, share it around, do all the YouTubey things, the likes, the subscribes, the comment on the bottom of the picture on the video. You don't have to comment much, just a hey or a thumbs up or a cool or whatever. Just, you don't have to extend a lot of effort. Just a little bit would be nice. Anyway, so like I say on every video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.